Hello darlings! For today's video, I'll be unboxing and trying on products from the Ipsy Glam Bag, Glam Bag Plus, and Glam Bag X for February. This month's theme is You Are Loved. The Glam Bag design features a marbled swirl of pinks and browns with a heart charm zipper. Let's take a look at what's inside. We have the Grown Alchemist Balancing Toner, Benefit Fluff Up Brow Wax, Khaleesi Intense Liquid Eyeliner, Beauty for Certain Whole Lotta Mascara, and the Pore Nova Lunar Lip Balm. Now let's open the Glam Bag Plus. Inside we have the First Aid Beauty Calamine Pore Purging Mask, Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Water Cream, Beauty Bakery Do It for the Gram Eyeshadow Palette, MOTD Blush Duo, and the Lovecraft Beauty No. 9 Brush. In addition to the Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus this month, I also received the Glam Bag X. This quarter's box is curated by Bailey Sarian. Let's take a look at what's inside. We have the Truly Coco Rose Fudge Whipped Body Butter, Happy Dance CBD and CBG Hand Cream, JVN Nurture Deep Moisture Hair Mask, Dr. Loretta Tightening Eye Gel, Benefit Brow Microfilling Pen, Athr Beauty Manifest Palette, Too Faced Better Than Sex Waterproof Mascara, and the Fresh Sugar Lip Treatment. Now that we've unboxed everything, let's try out some of the products we received. I'm starting on skincare with the First Aid Beauty Pore Purging Calamine Mask. This mask is formulated with calamine, an ancient remedy for skin ailments, which helps unclog the look of pores and calm irritation, while its powder particles slough away surface impurities. It smells a little bit like the calamine, but it's not too overpowering or anything. Let's go ahead and leave it on for 10 minutes. I always like how clear my skin feels after a mask like this. Next, I'm using the Grown Alchemist Balancing Toner. This is an alcohol-free toner that's supposed to refine the appearance of pores and even skin tone. It doesn't smell like much of anything, but it does leave my skin feeling kind of sticky. Now I'm trying the Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. I love gel moisturizers. They're so rich and refreshing. My skin's looking pretty red and feeling kind of dry after that mask, so it really needed this. For the final step in my skincare routine, I'm applying the Dr. Loretta Tightening Eye Gel. This eye cream is from the Glam Bag X and retails for $60. It uses Chroma Bright, which is supposed to protect from free radical damage. Moving on to makeup, I'm filling in my brows with the Benefit Brow Microfilling Pen. This is in the shade Medium Brown. I love Benefit brow products. They're just so good and easy to use. Next, I'm using the Fluff Up Brow Wax. This is a brand new product by Benefit. It really fluffs up the brows, but I must say I think I prefer the 24-hour brow gel over this wax because it just seems to hold better over time. Now let's take a look at the Beauty Bakery Do It for the Gram Eyeshadow Palette. This is a 12-pan palette. Let's swatch it. I already know that I like the Beauty Bakery formula, so let's go ahead and create a look with it. First, I'm dipping my brush into two matte shades, the brown and the red. I'm just applying this to the crease. Right off the bat, I'm noticing a lot of kickback in the palette. Next, I'm picking up the shimmery red shade. I'm applying this to the center of my lid. After that, I'm trying out the Khaleesi Intense Liquid Eyeliner. This is in the shade Americano. I'm using it to draw a wing in my outer corner and inner corner. It seems to glide on relatively easy and it dries pretty fast. Now let's try out the MOTD Blush Duo. This is in the shade Pink Lace. To apply it, I'm using the Lovecraft Beauty No. 9 brush. I just mixed both of the shades together and now I'm applying it to my cheeks. The blush and the brush are both buttery soft. Next, I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex Waterproof Mascara. I already have the original version of this, so now I'm really happy to have the waterproof one. Finally, I'm applying the Pore Nova Lunar Lip Balm. This is in the shade Orbit, a sheer bronze with a soft pink inner core. It reminds me of the Pixie Lip Balm, but much more hydrating. Here's the finished look using products from the February Ipsy Glam Bag, Glam Bag Plus, and Glam Bag X. Let me know which one you're subscribed to in the comments below, and as always, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.